welcome to the first episode of Fashionably Yours by Aditi. इतने सालों से you guys were at the back of me telling me कि ये बता दो वो बता दो फैशन में क्या है फैशन में क्या नहीं है सो मैंने बोला ठीक है सिखा देती हूँ. In these episodes, I'm gonna be your fashion teacher, aka the chief fashion mommy, and I will be teaching you everything that I know in fashion. But most importantly, you'll be learning fashion terms, fashion styling, wardrobe, closet, what's in trend, what's not in trend, what's coming, the forecast, oh my god, everything. In the first episode today, the topic is denims. I know everyone, literally everyone in this world has a pair of their favorite jeans in their wardrobe. But do you know how versatile denim is and how important it is to wear the right jeans, the right shape of the jeans for yourself? मानती हूँ कि you can wear whatever you want, but do you know that wearing the right shape of jeans can actually accentuate your body shape? And it is always better to look wow and confident than just confident, right? As denims are the most versatile piece of cloth on this earth, so it will never fade away. But the silhouette, the style, oh wait, today's term is silhouette. Silhouette क्या है? जब आप कोई क्लॉथ को काटते हो और एक ड्रेस बनाते हो, उस ड्रेस की जो शेप होती है उसे हम सिलुएट कहते हैं. डेनिम एक तरीके का क्लॉथ है और जब हम उसे जीन्स के शेप में कट करते हैं या पैंट के शेप में कट करते हैं तो वो डेनिम जीन्स बनता है. और वैसे ही हम डेनिम के थ्रू कॉर्सेट्स, टॉप्स, कुछ भी बना सकते हैं. Now when I talk about the jeans, it is very important to choose the right silhouette of your jeans. If your lower half of the body is thicker than your upper half of the body, then you can go for wider pair of jeans, something like this or something like this. But if your upper body is heavier and your lower body is little thinner, you can go for little fitted jeans. If your height is little average to tall, you can still go for a bootcut jeans. But if you are petite or small, you can rather choose mom jeans or wide leg jeans. Talking about the trend, wide leg jeans are the most in trend right now. Some references are given right here. Now you can pair your jeans with corsets. Corsets are again in trend. You can pair it with denim jackets. Denim on denim are on trends. Or maybe your favorite piece of t-shirt. And in this summer, we will be again seeing a lot of bows, a lot of corsets. So till then, keep on styling. I will be seeing you again in another episode.